Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Nibbles Maplestick, a charming beaver character from the world of Zootopia 2, in our fun cartoon style. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these tutorials coming. Grab your drawing tools, relax, and let's bring this adorable character to life. And remember, if any part feels tricky, you can always pause the video and continue at your own pace. Nibbles Maplestick is portrayed as a friendly and helpful character, guiding Judy and Nick safely through the swamp market without upsetting the locals. She understands the culture of the area very well, reminding others to respect the residents and follow their customs, which shows her awareness and empathy. Nibbles also has a quirky side. She's known for being a bit eccentric and even a conspiracy theorist, often bringing up unusual ideas about the world around her. Because she grew up around reptiles, she doesn't share the same prejudices that many others have in Zootopia, making her perspective unique and open-minded. Beavers are known in real life for their incredible ability to build dams and shape their environment. In a world like Zootopia, a beaver character would likely be associated with engineering, construction, or craftsmanship. Zootopia is a city designed for mammals of all sizes, from tiny rodents to massive elephants. Each species in Zootopia has unique roles and adaptations that reflect their real-world traits. Characters are designed to maintain a balance between realistic anatomy and human-like expression. Oh, if you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you want to see more characters from this universe, check out our Zootopia playlist with Judy Hopps and Nick Wilde. Just click the card right up here. Also, tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Beavers have strong front teeth, which in real life never stop growing. Their large, flat tails are used for balance, swimming, and even communication. In animation, these traits are often stylized to make characters more expressive and appealing. Zootopia explores themes like diversity, cooperation, and breaking stereotypes. The world building in Zootopia includes multiple districts with different climates, Each district is carefully designed to support specific animal species. Designing a beaver character allows for fun shapes, especially with the teeth, cheeks, and tail. Cartoon versions often exaggerate features to enhance personality and humor. Friendly expressions and rounded shapes help make characters more approachable. Creative reinterpretations like this one show how flexible the Zootopia style can be. For colors, we used warm brown tones for the fur, a darker shade for depth and shadows, soft highlights to bring volume, plus colorful clothing for contrast. But of course, feel free to color your character however you like. Creativity is always welcome here. And here's our Nibbles Maplestick, fun, friendly, and full of cartoon charm. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.